Introducing Nippy, the Comfort Traveler Portable Electric Scooter, with a great free accessories pack today. It has a half-twist throttle control, with 3 speeds and a unique cruise control function for longer distance travel in comfort. Horn and front LED light for nighttime driving. Dual handbrakes with parking brake switches. Easy to ride and turn around. Reversing is simple, as you can see in this demonstration. This is a user-friendly mobility device for all that need it. This is a great investment for anyone who wants to move around independently using a mobility device that is smooth, sophisticated, and simple. As you can see, the Nippy is very easy to steer and control. Quick and easy to fold and unfold to load into or out of your car boot in one piece to a freestanding position. To fold down, lower the backrest of the seat. Then pull the lever at the bottom rear of the seat to fold down into a scissor action. Open the lower front clip on the tiller bar to fold down. Then secure with a bungee cord to the scooter frame. This can then be pulled along in a trolley mode. The rear bumper bar extends out for a luggage rack to fit a basket or suitcase. Secure with 2 bungee cords. The scooter can be recharged, freestanding with the battery on board, by sliding back the dust cover and fitting the 3-pin plug into the battery and wall socket. The charger box will light up red when charging and green when fully charged, between 4 to 6 hours. You can remove the lightweight lithium battery with the key lock and removing the battery connector at the top to slide out. This then can be freestanding and charged on its own indoors, again with the red-green indicators. Top of its class and great value for money. Use Nippy daily or bring it along during your travels and holidays. Great for cruise ships, bus, boat, coach, plane, or train. Nippy brings freedom and independence to those with mobility difficulties and can be your best friend. Photos of free accessories, rear wire basket and 2 bungee cords, front handlebar storage bag, seat scooter bag. If you care, please like and share this video. Thank you.